Hello everybody, today is the 12th of January 2025. I'm going to do an interesting tutorial. We're going to compare Binance exchange with the Bybit exchange. Okay, here we have futures trading, and we have put two similar or the same wages. The same wages, I would say. So the wages are for Bitcoin's USDC, and on the Bybit you have Bitcoin USDT. Very similar. So entry price on Binance was 93,890, and if we go to the Bybit, the entry price was 93,889.60. It's the same. It's pretty much the same. Then as you can see at this moment, it shows that we have 7% plus, that is 0.65 euro in plus. And if you go to Bybit, you can see that we have 34 USDT plus, that is 7.26. This is interesting. Here it's 7.3%, and on Binance it's 6.4. What is interesting also is that I have put on both exchanges, take TP and SL. That is take profit at 97,656 and stop loss at 92,662. But what is interesting is that on Bybit it is okay, but on Binance they just forgot about it. When it was in open orders, before it did say that, but now it doesn't say anymore. I don't know why. Then if we go back to Bybit, Bybit allows you, if you are from European Union, Bybit allows you to put wages in USDT, and it allows you also, as you can see, is USDT. This is a small wager. It's only for $9, 8.6. And you can also put isolated. Isolated means that it only takes from this money. But if you put cross, that it means that it takes money all around. Binance also doesn't allow to put isolated, but forces you to put cross. And also on Binance, you can only put in USDC, while on Bybit you can put USDC and USDT. Okay, this wager is going on now for some time. It's really small money, just to make some to just see how the exchanges work. If you put the same amount of money, if you do it at the same time, and so on. So it's a little bit different. It's not quite the same. This was my goal. So I will also make another video with similar things very shortly. Have a nice day.